Hi, my name is Nora and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Plethora Wave before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about Plethora Wave is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Plethora Wave is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. The Plethora Wave employs mental tricks and innovative methods to unlock the latent potential of your mind, ultimately leading to financial prosperity. It revolutionizes your perspective on money, enabling you to overcome doubts and attract the wealth you aspire to. The program is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily follow instructions and listen to the audio through headphones. Clients who wholeheartedly commit to the program have reported transformative experiences in their lives. Plethora Wave aims to unleash financial potentials, eliminate limiting beliefs, and nurture a mindset conducive to prosperity. It proves to be a valuable asset for those seeking financial independence and personal growth. If you find yourself tired of a financially stagnant life and constrained by limiting thought patterns hindering your financial success, then the Plethora Wave might be the tool you need. Additionally, numerous clients have shared remarkable results, ranging from financial achievements to habit changes that contribute to greater economic stability. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. Before buying it, you can actually test Plethora Wave for 30 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Plethora Wave, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright, folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.